Hey guys, I'm Tim
I'm Evan.
from Aurelion Technologies. Picking up from our first video, once you've already set up your Raspberry Pi and configured it to your location and time, you may now dive into the different capabilities of the Raspberry Pi.
One of which is being able to use your laptop or smartphone as a display wirelessly from the Pi using the VNC Viewer app from Real VNC.
The VNC Viewer app allows you to use your smartphone or laptop as a display for other devices such as the Raspberry Pi.
First, you must download VNC Viewer on your laptop or smartphone for free from realvnc.com, which will be in the description box down below. Then, unzip the file. Now set up your Raspberry Pi, which we covered in our previous video. Click the Raspberry Pi icon on the upper left of the Pi's dock. Go down to Preferences. Click the Raspberry Pi configuration. Select the Interface tab and enable VNC on the Raspberry Pi.
Once VNC is enabled, connect to your home Wi-Fi. Now go to the Raspberry Pi terminal and type hostname-i. Then, the Raspberry Pi's private IP address will appear. Now go back to your device and make sure your device and your Raspberry Pi are connected to the same Wi-Fi. And type in your private IP address of your Raspberry Pi into the search bar of the VNC Viewer app. Then, a tab will appear asking you to type your Raspberry Pi's username and password. The default username and password of your Raspberry Pi is Pi and Raspberry respectively. Now you can access your Raspberry Pi from your smartphone or laptop wirelessly. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe, leave a comment down below, and we'll catch you in the next one.